Most people get this wrong when comparing Spotify Premium and free. They assume the only difference is ads. But here's the truth no one tells you. The real difference is not just interruptions, it is control over your entire listening experience. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Spotify Free and Spotify Premium compare in 2026, what you actually lose without paying, and whether Premium is truly worth it for your daily use. Let's start simple. Spotify Free gives you access to millions of songs without paying anything. You can search tracks, play playlists, and discover music. But here's where the limitations begin. On mobile, you cannot fully control playback. You often get shuffled songs, limited skips, and frequent ads. So if someone like Alex is trying to play a specific song during a workout, he might have to wait through ads or accept shuffle mode instead of exact control. Now here's where it gets interesting. Spotify Premium removes almost all of those restrictions. You get on-demand playback, unlimited skips, no ads, offline downloads, and higher audio quality. That means someone like John can download his playlists and listen without internet while traveling or studying. But here's the problem most users don't think about. They compare Premium only with ads, not with control. Ads are annoying, but loss of control over music is what really changes the experience. Let's break it down further. With free, Spotify decides how you listen in many situations. With Premium, you decide everything. Song order, skipping, replaying, and offline access are all fully unlocked. Now let's talk about daily use. If you only listen to music occasionally, like during short breaks, Spotify Free is enough. The ads are there, but they are manageable for light users. But if music is part of your daily routine, such as studying, gym, commuting, or working, Premium becomes much more valuable because interruptions break focus and flow. Now here's a real-world comparison. Alex uses Spotify Free and constantly gets interrupted during workouts. John uses Premium and builds perfect playlists for focus and offline listening. Over time, John's experience is smoother and more consistent, even though both are using the same app. So is Spotify Premium worth it in 2026? Yes, if you value control, offline access, and uninterrupted listening. No, if you only listen casually and do not mind ads or shuffle limits. Here's the simple conclusion. Spotify Free is for casual listeners. Spotify Premium is for people who want full control over their music experience. To wrap it up, the difference is not just ads. It is freedom versus limitation. And that is what really decides whether Premium is worth paying for. If this helped you understand the real difference, like the video, comment your listening habits and subscribe for more simple breakdowns like this.